Today it's 4th November. Yesterday we landed on Portal Point and hosted our national flag here. Today's activities are Zodiac landing, hiking and kayaking, and thereafter polar plunge. Today we will land at Brown Station, Paradise Bay. Brown Base is the main attraction. Brown Station, an Argentine research station in Antarctica, is known for the scenic beauty. It is located in Paradise Bay, one of the most picturesque spots in Antarctica, surrounded by glaciers and towering mountains.
ये पैराडाइज बे है
view from another angle, so you will see quite a number of mountains around us. 1-2 months, to do some construction work, to collect some data maybe.
The station was originally established in 1951 but was intentionally burned down in 1984 by the station's doctor to avoid being forced to stay for the winter. It was later rebuilt as a summer-only station.
So we are not, most likely we are not going right. This area will be remember probably.
Many Antarctic cruises stop here because of its stunning views and easy access to the mainland. Visitors often hike up the hill behind the station for panoramic views.
Towards the south is just practically nice.
Brown Station primarily supports biological and climate research, including the study of local wildlife such as seabirds and seals.
To invite you to experience something special and jump into the water. So, which is another impression about Antarctica. And look how scientists work to live in these areas. Sounds good? So just to summarize all this information, I know it's better to see something a little bit in the place, and we will definitely try to be so organized. And I'm sure in the evening time, he is a good storyteller. Please come join us.
Just a while ago, a whale was sighted here. To our disappointment, the captain had just informed us that all programs are cancelled due to bad weather. We will have to stay on the cruise for the day. Now, we have plenty of time before the polar plunge. We will enjoy coffee, followed by a tour of the cruise, including the bridge, gym, restaurant and more before the polar plunge. This gym is equipped with modern facilities and is open 24 hours. The upper deck of the World Traveler offers stunning 360-degree views of Antarctica, perfect for spotting icebergs, whales and seabirds. It's the best place to launch projects, relax and enjoy the expedition vibes. After a day of adventure, unwind with a spa massage or sauna, then soak in the heated pool or hot tub surrounded by Antarctica's stunning beauty. Deck 4 of Lisboa offers great food and service, fresh seafood, hearty meals and tasty vegan options, all made with care. The warm, attentive staff ensures a wonderful dining experience for everyone. Fala's Pantry is the go-to spot for quick bites and coffee. Whether it is a fresh pastry, sandwich, or a hot drink, everything is light, tasty, and perfect. The reception counter is the ship's central help desk, always welcoming and ready to assist with any questions, making the journey smooth and hassle-free. Dome, located at deck 7 forward, is perfect spot to relax with stunning views. Open from noon until close. It offers a cozy atmosphere to enjoy a drink, unwind, and take in the breathtaking Antarctic scenery. View from the upper deck is simply breathtaking. Endless icebergs, towering glaciers, and the vast Antarctic wilderness stretching as far as the eyes can. A perfect spot to soak in the beauty of the frozen continent. The auditorium is the hub for lectures, briefings, and entertainment on board. A comfortable space where experts share insights about Antarctica, making the journey even more enriching. The bridge is the command center of the ship, where the captain and crew navigate through Antarctica's icy water. Visitors can watch the team in action and get a first-hand look at the ship's operations. The polar plunge is an exhilarating jump into Antarctica's freezing water below 0 degrees Celsius (32 degrees Fahrenheit) from a ship or shore during a cruise. It is done for the adrenaline rush, bragging rights, and an unforgettable experience. It makes your heart race, boosts energy, and heightens your alertness like what you feel during an extreme activity. It's a unique bucket list experience that pushes limits and creates unforgettable memories. The polar plunge is completely optional. Only those who want to take the plunge can do so. Those not participating in the event will sit here.
Your bravery, that's the first thing. Your bathrobe and your slippers, your flip-flops, whatever you want to call them. You don't need your cabin key or card. I'm going to steal Malcolm's joke because if you're going to jump in those clothes, where are you going to put it in, right? I didn't know it was going to jump that way. Okay, never mind. So, here we go, everybody. So, for the folks who are going to do it, we just want you to have a seat, be comfortable.
Those participating in the polar plunge have gathered here, attentively listening to the instructors' briefing on safety measures and jump process.
Unfortunately, you cannot go down to the deck with them, okay? You can observe, and I think you can see the platform from this deck, but near my office, right? All over the decks, you'll be able to see it. Balconies as well, yep, so you'll be able to see that. So, unfortunately, you cannot go with the person who's jumping if you are not jumping. So, when it's time to go, Malcolm will be leading you, usually about maybe 10, 15 at a time. We'll see how it goes. Down to the platform. They're going to check you off the manifest so we know that you jumped. They're going to take care of you from there. We're going to make sure you're nice, safe, and secure. You do your jump. When you do your jump, we're going to have a towel for you. When you get out, we'll also have a little warm beverage, something to warm you up on the inside. After you're done, we will then encourage you maybe to go to the sauna or to the nice hot shower or something like that. So, again, we'll be starting a little bit of What's that? Oh, a warm hug. I like that, yeah. From Malcolm. The friendliest man on the world traveler is Malcolm. Or the hot tub maybe. We'll just...
This is the spot from where the participants will take plunge. Excited participants are stepping forward for the plunge.
enjoying plunge.
This is the best place to have photograph.
We will take video.
A video or photograph.
I think somebody else will take.
The first participant is going to have plunge.
Yep.
Yes, one. Yes, 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 yes.
It's taking
Very good. One, two, and three. Okay. For the safety measures, they are fastened with a rope while jumping.
Swimming?
Usually get it right away. I'm supposed to.
One, two, and three. As a safety measure, other concerned staff are present with their jodiks. Yes, one, two, three.
Oh, good, good, good.
With that, today's activities come to an end. We will continue our journey tomorrow. Until then, goodbye and see you soon. Stay tuned for more adventures.